Here we have the 2021 Hyundai Kona. This one comes in the SE trim level. And that paint job is going to be the ultra black. And the interior consists of the gray and black cloth. And the powertrain on this Kona is a 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine made into a 6-speed automatic transmission. So as we get around to the front end here, you have your LED daytime running lights, along with your standard headlamps there. And here we have 16-inch aluminum wheels. There are the controls for your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. There's your driver's seat there. There's your rear seat. And there you have your cup holders in the center seat. And there's a view of the front end from back here, or the front of the vehicle, excuse me. And there's your back end. Decent cargo space there. And to pull the seat down, pull that up, and when the seat's up far enough, the seat will fold flat. And you can fit longer objects in here. And then there you have your rear leg room there. About broke my knee. Ooh. So in terms of that rear leg room, I'm 6'3", so you could fit smaller adults back there, but I wouldn't push it. Next, we'll go ahead and take a quick look at the 2-liter. And there's that 2-liter 16-valve naturally aspirated Atkinson 4-cylinder engine. We're gonna hop in the driver's seat. Here's the steering wheel here. So for your infotainment system here, you get AM and FM radio. And you also get Bluetooth audio along with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility. There's your backup camera. There are your vents there. And then down here you have your climate controls. And then you have an aux and USB input here. And I like the little storage they have up here. You can like kind of place your phone here when you're using the Bluetooth. And then here you can go through your drive modes. You have normal and sport. And for your shifter, you hit this button back here, reverse, neutral, drive, then you can manually shift. Then here you have your parking brake, cup holders, center console cubby space. And there's a view of the back seat from up here. And there's your glove compartment with your owner's manuals. And over here, have your volume controls, radio station preset controls, And you can toggle your modes, and you can make them custom. So you can switch between your iPod, AM, FM, and then Bluetooth and aux. Even the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto function. And Bluetooth controls here. And over here you have your cruise controls. And then you can go through your gauge cluster. So these two are for the gauge clusters, and the rest of this is for cruise control. And this one has your standard key. And now we're gonna go ahead and take this Kona on the road for a quick test drive. So not bad pickup for a 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. As you get higher up in the RPMs, you can definitely feel you're getting the most out of the engine. And pretty good brake feel so far. And overall, really surprising cabin acoustics. I'd expect it to be a little louder in here, but it's a really, really dampened sound from the driver's seat. And as I've had to merge on the interstate, the visibility in the Kona is really good. No huge blind spots, anything like that. Yeah, really good and crisp in acceleration. sport mode now. And it really wakes up the car. Like, wow. Really, really quick off the line for this kind of vehicle. And what's great about the sport mode on here is, even though it's not turbocharged, it gives you that same feel with the sport mode, because it really does just, it gives you all the horses, baby. I'm gonna give it a good pull one more time. But this is gonna bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Hyundai Kona SE.